Chalk my wheel. Been wearing a mask before COVID. Yeah, don't worry, I corrected the ramps. Yeah. Had to reposition it, but I got it. Even chalked my wheel. The throwaway brick I got. Yeah, so taking the plug out. Gonna let this oil drain and gonna get back on the Equinox. Yep. Okay, while that pisses out, I'm gonna get back on the Equinox. Get this shit on the speed bump. I forgot about that. See, cause I got the road tire off. Just fucking around, the gas wouldn't come off. So, looked it up, it said new finish. So, while she in the house and getting ready for work because I changed our schedule, be out here doing this while that's what I'm doing my oil change. Yeah. This is one thing I hate about these 3.6s. They put the fucking oil filter right here, right next to the exhaust manifold. Worst position ever. They put a fucking oil filter. Worst spot ever. Cause if you try to do it while it's hot, you fucked. That's why I do it while it's cold. Even though it's better to do it while it's hot, I do it while it's cold. Cause I ain't gotta worry about burning my motherfucking self. Shit. Fuck. Shit, see? And I ain't got small hands. AC Delco. Always go with the factory. Yeah. Okay. Plastic on, rubber piece off. Yep. Rubber piece off on that too. Dip that in oil. Get some oil up off there. Yeah. Always, put oil on your new oil filters. Always. Yep, and the gasket for the old one is on the other one. So, and then come back with that new fucking filter. Can be a bitch. Okay. Got it down now. Just gotta get it up in a place. Yeah. Yeah, doing a fresh oil change. Yeah. Yeah, going back with the new oil, that bullshit synthetic shit, but that's what it's called for. That's what the car calls for, full synthetic. Yeah, for a good price though, $31. It wouldn't tell me when when I would lose my $20 credit up there. So I just said, fuck it, I'll go ahead and use it. Instead of it being $50-something, it was $30-something. Yeah, I'm just pouring it. Don't want to waste no drops. Yeah, and I done restored this damn car. This shit better not never happen again. I'm not doing this shit again. This is the second time I did this shit. I ain't doing it a third. Gas wouldn't come off. I had to figure out how to get that off. Found out new finish. Man, I ain't doing that shit again. I spent too much money just to get that shit off today. To finish the oil change on this one. Yeah.